Oh fuck. Yeah, that's not really good. Oh, this car's so JDM, boys. So hey guys, and welcome back to the video. Today we are, first I'm gonna pick up some paint and then we're gonna finish up the firewall and stuff. And first we gotta race this bad boy, this JDM bad boy, out and get some paint, you know. So yeah, that's gonna be the first thing we're gonna do. I mean, just listen to this beast, honestly. I'm so glad I have this as a daily now instead of a Firebird, cause just listen. Yeah, it's pretty lame. So yeah, after we painted the firewall, I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna fix up some more small things, as you all know. So I asked you guys in the last video if you guys like to see these like small videos of fixing up old stuff, you know, and it seemed like you guys did. Getting a kind of late start today, but with this RPM response, we're gonna be there in no time. Feels good to be out in the shop, right? Feeling at home. Look at this beast. I'm just over here like imagining if the engine was in, you know what I mean? Placing it here. So as you just saw a quick time lapse off, we just painted it with primer and stuff. So I was just over at the local auto shop and get some black paint and then we're gonna paint it. So let's throw in another time lapse, shall we? Ain't that just, oh damn. So guys, there you go, we got both of the old seats out and then we're ready to put in the new ones. Or the new one, because we already got one in. And not gonna lie, it looks pretty damn sick when you only have like one Sparco racing seat in there. But yeah, also when you have your old seats out, remember to vacuum the carpet. And I also found my old USB charging thing, so that's pretty nice. Another upgrade for the build, hey! And then of course, always in old cars like that, you also found some old coins. The cool thing about this one is it's actually pretty old. It's from 1975, if you maybe can see right there in the corner. That's just pretty cool, like a little souvenir from back in the day when this car was driving through a McDonald's or something and he got some change and he dropped that one coin that he never found again and damn, your boy got it today. This is money for the build, guys. New performance engine coming soon, hey. So there we go, just got the old seat rails off and then also just checked actually if the seat belts even fitted in the new seats, and they do. Absolutely perfect. I'm kind of liking the look though with no passenger seat, not gonna lie, that looks pretty dope. You know, your boy still want to be able to ride with friends and also, you know, I don't know, do some videos scaring my mom in a 500 horsepower drift car. Some, you know, need some clickbait, Joe. So you probably clicked on this video because of something that seemed a little bit, wow, yo, what the fuck, that's not good, you know? Damn, what is going on with the build? Well, let me show you. Oh shit, fuck. Yo guys, this is not good. I'm able to lift the window. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, it's kind of hard to show on the camera, but I can literally lift the window up like a quarter inch or something. That's not good. That kind of explains all this in here, I guess. So the window is literally not sealed or connected to the body. Right here. This whole corner. I can just lift it. Not to forget that the water also comes in here somewhere and drips all the way down here, which I already knew, but this is bad news. Now the good thing about being a hole right here is water can collect in here, I guess. Water can run back out. So you might be thinking, what now, Vic? What are you gonna do? Well, you already know, man. We're gonna remove all the sealing right here, take the windshield off, put it back on with new seals, and also repair the rust in both corners. Now, I knew that water was coming in for a long time, ever since I bought the car, whatever. But after finding that thing right there, that I can lift the window, just listen to it. Lifting a car window off the car, that's, oh, great success, my boy. That's just not good. I mean, honestly, that's bad. But yeah, at least I found something that we then can do, I guess. Next video, you feel me? So yeah, that's what's gonna happen, I guess. We're gonna remove the windshield, repair whatever is rusted down here. I don't know if you can buy this dashboard panel or whatever here new, because it's pretty bad over on that side, and I'm not sure with my skills and my tools that I can repair it without costing too much. Then it would probably be easier for me to buy a new one. Also because we're not keeping the red, we're going black interior anyway. So guys, I just got done installing this seat. Now take a look at this. Do you see this, my boys? Now you can't really see through the windshield, it's kind of dusty in here. But look at that. Just look at that, man. We got 2 bucket seats up in this thing. This looks so cool. Now don't ask me why this seat can't go as much back as the other one. It's like a little bit, like an inch in front of the driver's seat. Doesn't really matter, I guess. The driver's seat is the most important for like your leg room and steering wheel and stuff. But it came out really nice with the seat belts and everything, you know. This is damn cool, man. Engine just chilling here. You know we're gonna get to this soon. Don't worry, we're gonna get to it soon, man. I mean, just take a look at this. This is so cool, man. I can't wait to ride with passengers and stuff with this bucket seat. I think that's gonna be a really awesome thing to do. Cause not only now do I sit well and doesn't fly about inside the cabin or whatever when driving like a madman, but also the passenger will be seated good. So I can throw it around with some bodies, you know. Or one body, because there's only one bucket seat. Yo, imagine this, yo. 4 bucket seats in this. Imagine if I could get like some low bucket seats to install in the back. That would be fucking sick. Drift taxi, yo. Finding out the thing with the window kind of sucks in a way, because I already have a lot to do on the build already. And just adding more work right now seems like a little bit too much, you know. I'm kind of finishing up the whole firewall and stuff. We just need to, just need to, well, we also need to do like the side pieces right here, you know, and also the top of it. And actually we also got to do some of the bottom of the car. We're gonna grind a little bit down of surface rust and stuff, and then get it painted, and then afterwards do like some kind of undercoating or something, some kind of seal. So guys, something that I totally forgot is the good old Christmas calendar, you know. I totally like forgot this, and today it's the, I don't even know, what is it? Today it's the 15th, and we only scraped like 4 of these, so let's go number 7, we need that one. Another Santa, another fat man with a beard. Number 3, we also need that one, a mistletoe, very nice. Number 9, we also need that one. Another fat Santa, way, so nice. Number 4, we also need that one. Another fat Santa, let's go. If we win 1 million right now, I'm totally gonna donate this to a viewer, not. Number 14, a star, a fucking star. A star would win me like $10. Like what the hell? Another Santa fat man with a beard. Woo! Another star. Fuck off. If I get another star, there's only like 1 prize in each. So if I get another star, then it's equal. I won $10, and then there's like 0 chance for me to win 1 million. Let's look at the bright side, you know. A candlelight. Wait, another candlelight? No. Number 15, a drum. A goddamn drum. Number 11. Ooh, another Santa with a fat man beard. I was about to say that doesn't even make sense. So there we go. Now we're up to date. Let's see how many Santas we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Santas, and I need 9 Santa Claus. If I get 9 Santas, boys, 9 Santas, I would win like $15,000. Oh my, whoa! Damn boy, let's go. If you think I'm gonna win, comment something, and if you don't, comment something else. I don't know. Let's see how many actually believes in me. Believe in me, boy. A fat man with a beard. Woo!